Okay, so hey guys, my name is Nicole Sinde and I am the founder and former president of Queen City Diversity Project. And today I'm just going to give you a little briefing of how I started the club and how you can also start a club if you want to do it. So the first thing is always an idea. And it doesn't have to be an elaborate idea. It just needs to be an idea, a seed, something that you think you want to do and something that you have passion for. And I think passion is the most important thing because burnout is real, exhaustion is real, and for you to really keep something going, you have to have that thing in the back of your mind that keeps you going, that little motivation. And after that, you need people. You need people who would be good founding members for whatever club you're trying to run, organization, whatever it is. You need people who are going to be behind your back, that are going to help you facilitate the events or whatever initiative you're trying to put forward. And from there, it's just all about ideas and brainstorming. When you have people, when you have an idea, it's one thing to have your idea and to plan it all in your head. But when you have like 5 or 6 different people coming together, bringing out ideas, you really have an agile team. So I would say that the ideal founding club should be about 6 members, including yourself. I feel like that's a good way to have a balance of ideas, but also be able to control, control operations, especially if you're new into being a president, being a founder. It can be very overwhelming trying to, be a leader, be a president of a club. And I think another really big important thing is networking, because you will need help, you will need resources, you will need connections. So LinkedIn is a very good way to connect with people, making an email, setting up all your emails and all your contact information so that as people, as word of mouth is getting out about your club, people have a way to connect with you, whether that's through email, whether that's through a phone number, whatever the case may be, just making sure that, you're not a club where people aren't able to contact you. Contact is a really, really important thing. And then after that is just about, gauging your audience. What is your club about and who's your target audience and what do they want to see? Whether it's diversity, whether it's, a food club, just kind of gauging your audience and seeing what they want to do. So because a part of a club is also growth. You want your club to grow. You want people to take interest in your club. And to do that, people need to be able to engage, to connect with your mandate. And so, just figuring out what your audience wants. And then lastly, kind of just tying everything in together. Having a social media presence is probably the biggest thing because especially now that in a pandemic, in a panoramic, in a Panda Express, the best thing to do is to have people connect with you virtually. And social media is just really a great way to go viral in the sense of just being able to spread word faster and just connect with people. It's all about connections. And that would be my advice. And good luck. Bye.